Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell USDT on Gate.io P2P. So first thing you're going to need to do is to log in to your Gate.io account and navigate to the buy crypto. And then from here, you can see the P2P trading. You just have to click on this. And then on the quick trading page, you just have to select sell, this one, and choose USDT as the cryptocurrency. Now just enter the amount of USDT that you wish to sell or the fiat amount you aim to receive. And then just select the preferred currency and payment method. And after that, just confirm the sale, review all the details, and click the Sell USDT to place your order. So now you just have to wait the payment or await the payment. The buyer will transfer the funds to your specified payment method and confirm receipt before releasing USDT. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!